Introducing Alpha's Property Surveying Department. Alpha's Property Surveying Department has established itself as a leader in the industry, supported by a highly skilled team of full-time risk surveyors and analysts. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this team delivers some of the most comprehensive survey reports available, a specialized and complementary service exclusive to Alpha. The team adopts a holistic approach to risk analysis, evaluating not only individual sites, but also the surrounding areas to ensure a thorough assessment. By managing the entire process in-house, Alpha guarantees exceptional accuracy, meticulous attention to detail, and seamless end-to-end risk management control. Through ongoing training, the team remains at the forefront of legislative and industry developments, ensuring all risk assessments align with the latest compliance standards. This proactive approach instills confidence and peace of mind in clients by identifying high-risk operational processes and implementing preventative measures to address even the most complex risks. Comprehensive on-site surveys are conducted to identify potential hazards, evaluate safety systems, and ensure compliance with all relevant regulations and standards. Detailed cloud-based reports, incorporating photographs, diagrams, and tailored risk recommendations, are available immediately upon completion, providing prompt and actionable insights. Natural hazard exposure assessments integrate hazard, loss, and geolocation data with satellite imagery and background maps to deliver a detailed analysis of environmental risks. Advanced thermal imaging technology is used to detect potential heat overloads in electrical boards and machinery, effectively mitigating fire risks. Aerial drones are deployed to inspect adjacent properties, surrounding areas, and hard-to-reach locations, ensuring a comprehensive site evaluation. Critical metrics such as the estimated maximum loss and maximum probable loss are calculated to inform capacity planning and underwriting decisions. By combining cutting-edge tools with unmatched expertise, Alpha's surveyors play a proactive role in protecting assets and ensuring business continuity. Their efforts have saved billions of rands by preventing fires, shelving collapses, and other costly incidents, further reinforcing Alpha's commitment to safeguarding clients' operations. At Alpha, the Property Surveying Department is more than just a service. It is a dedicated partner in proactive risk management. Alpha, protecting futures, mitigating risks,